The Jordan Trunner O S blends modern style with everyday practicality, making it a standout option for both sneaker fans and casual wearers. This model features a bold black, natural gray, mint foam, and green glow color palette that delivers a clean yet eye-catching look. The streamlined silhouette gives off a sense of motion, inspired by performance running designs. A matte black upper is reinforced by a structured frame that provides strong visual support, while the mint foam mesh underneath adds contrast and breathability. Natural gray suede around the collar softens the design and adds a premium touch. The slightly thicker sole enhances comfort and presence, with mint foam accents adding balance to the darker tones. A black rubber outsole ensures reliable grip and durability for daily use. Every material is carefully chosen to combine comfort, strength, and flexibility. Overall, the Jordan Trunner O S represents innovation rooted in Jordan heritage, offering a fresh design while staying true to the brand's authenticity and long-standing appeal.